Computer software. A computer is an electronic machine. It cannot work by itself. A computer needs instructions to do anything. These stepwise instructions are called software. Software works like a manager between computer hardware and humans. So, we can say that the part of a computer that we cannot see and touch is known as software. For example, you play a movie on the computer from a pen drive. You can touch the pen drive, but you cannot touch the movie. This movie is the software and the pen drive is the hardware which stores the movie and keeps it safe. There are two types of software: system software and application software. System software, a software that controls and manages all the activities of a computer system, is called system software. The system software is like a manager who manages a computer system. When we switch on a computer, the first thing that system software does is to prepare the computer for you to work on it. It loads important files so that you can work and run the application software. This software is called the operating system. Operating system is the most commonly used system software. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system used by people across the world. There are many versions of Windows like Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 7,
Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11. Windows 11 is the latest version.
Application software. The software that performs some specific type of jobs on a computer are called application software. Paint, Tux Paint and Windows Media Player are examples of application software.